This super glue kit is great for household fixes, repairs, crafts, and a whole lot more. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. The kit includes 12 micro tips, rubber safety gloves, mini sandpaper squares in different grit levels, replacement caps, and 2 bottles of glue. This can bond wood, metal, ceramic, glass, rubber, most plastics, so 1 bottle is all you need, but again, they come 2 in a pack. I have this fun 3D printed plastic model, but unfortunately the leaf came off. I'm going to super glue this back together. I start by adding a drop. A little bit goes a long way. I add the leaf, hold it in place for a short while. The repair is complete. Look at that. It is now back on. It's amazing how that glue can hold up this entire span. And it is hovering above the top here too. It is not touching. Check out how solid that hold is. This is a permanent bond. I am a big fan of this glue because it is easy to use. You get everything you need in the kit. And most importantly, it works really well.